There is a lot of goodwill that comes along with the Aschinger brand, and I think that that has a lot to do with us having been in business for 75 years.
Entrepreneur Otto F. Aschinger left St. Louis and his electrical contracting business behind and headed west at the start of World War II. His son Francis picked up the torch.
My father was at Washington University studying engineering, and so then he decided to go ahead and start this electrical contracting in 1940. And then when my father started this one, he started his Aschinger Electric company.
From the very beginning, Aschinger Electric has focused on delivering the best electrical solutions for their clients and finding innovative ways to do so.
My father started out, go back when he first started in business in the 40s, that he even manufactured light fixtures, 4-foot, two lamp light fixture. I think we still have, one in the warehouse that what he had manufactured, because you couldn't buy anything during the war.
So he would get the parts and they would assemble them on the kitchen table and sell them and install them.
We're always on the lookout for what are those new lighting technologies that might be helpful to a client. What are ways that we can help prevent them from having to do equipment replacements through our preventative maintenance? How can we extend the life of what they already have so that they can put their money elsewhere in their business where it can be more productive for them?
By 1958, the business outgrew the family house at 3701 Taft and moved into an office and warehouse in South City. The third generation of Aschingers worked with their father to find new and better ways to approach projects.
We were doing a lot of design build before anybody else ever did. It was a very simple situation because as electrical contractors, we knew where the costs were. The engineer will make it work more economical. You'd sit down in a room and you discuss things. If he would spend $5,000, I can save 10, so you're gonna be $5,000 ahead. And we sit down in these meetings and hash it out, and we get them all in budget, and then we go forward.
We're very open book with people, we're very honest with them, so we'll try to give them the best project for their application as opposed to trying to sell them something maybe they don't need.
While quickly developing a brand reputation as a trusted partner, Aschinger extended that brand beyond the job site.
I think my dad was one of the first contractors in the area to have the same color trucks. All the other contractors, they'd buy whatever truck was available, and he'd have them painted Ming green. It was an ugly green, but it stood out, and everyone knew it. Just like now in the 70s, we changed to orange, and primarily the same type of thing, where we standardized on our vision that customers would see. And today I get a lot of comments like at church or whatever, "Oh, we saw your orange trucks today," or something like that. So it makes you kind of proud,
I think the brand is really strong. The longevity is there, and people understand that when they buy from us, they're going to get a quality installation and that we're going to be here to back it up. We're looking at the long-term health of the business, because my goal and I think the goal of our team is to continue to be here to celebrate our 100th anniversary. So those are different decisions that you might make differently than if you were making decisions in a privately held company or a public company that didn't have that family legacy along with it.